Welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Cody. Guys, in today's episode, I'm going to give you an update which is coming from the Norwegian cruise line, which is also one of the most important cruises for Indian, at least, because a lot of Indian work on a Norwegian cruise line. Now, the update which is coming is from the Alaskan region. As I told you before, Princess Cruises and the Royal Caribbean, they already announced that they are going to start their season in Alaska, the cruising season in Alaska in month of July and August. Now the update is coming from the Norwegian, that Norwegian cruise line is also going to start with the one ship, which is Norwegian Bliss in Alaska in this August. So guys, this is the update now, which is a very good update. At least cruise ship is getting start. We'll keep our finger crossed and hope all the cruise ship company will start soon so we can get our jobs back. Well guys, this was the update. I will keep updating about cruise ship and cruise ship life. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram where I make a beautiful reels about the cruise ship and cruise ship life. And if you want to talk to me, you can also DM me on Instagram. I will answer your question personally. So by then, bye from Cruising with Goldie.